Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add apps to your Xfinity Flexbox. Okay, now all of these X1 apps require a 16:9 ratio to display properly on your TV. Okay, so first you want to press the Xfinity button on your voice remote and then go ahead and select apps. Then just select the section and app of your choice and press OK or the center of the directional pad on your voice remote. Okay. Go ahead and do that, then you'll be adding these apps to your Xfinity Flexbox home screen. You can add those apps, and opening one of these apps will display a banner noting that you're entering a third-party app. And if you want more information, you can press the info button on your voice remote. And if you press info, you'll be taken to the following tip card, which will basically exit the app. But once the app is open, you can navigate the content and you can press OK, or the raise button in the center of the directional pad to select the content you want to go ahead and watch. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.